your name?
Catherine,
Catherine, nice to meet you, Catherine. Where are you from?
UK.
The tropical island of UK. Oh, that is wonderful. Welcome. Is this your first time here?
Yes.
That is amazing. You are now a part of the Waturi people. As soon as you set foot on the island, you are welcomed as a part of the family. So you should know the history of Volcano Bay and how this all came to be. Legend foretold of a mystical golden fish named one day appeared, leading them to the fort where the prisoners would be free. Inside the safe foreigner, traveling to islands like Tahiti, Hawaii, Bali, UK, blending each remarkable island culture with their own. Finally, at the very end of the world, blue let waves calling, "You are ready, follow me to Volcano Bay." Waturi, of course, fell in love with this island of enchanted waters. A hidden island full of mutual happiness. Here they created a tropical paradise where they could relax and play. Now, my Waturi friends, it is your time to experience the wonder of the island. Clear sky and bird feet in perfect harmony. So now you know, the first people came here because they followed a fish. That's sort of the moral of the story. If you meet a golden talking fish, follow it.